Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Fat Free Life with Dr. Neelam. I am Dr. Neelam. I'm a doctor and a nutritionist. So today's video is all about New Year's weight loss resolutions. So just list down all our 7 weight loss resolutions. So first is set realistic goals. It means keep it real. Don't fall into the trap of unrealistic weight losses and diet goals. It will leave you discouraged and wanting to quit, and set challenging and realistic goals that are measurable and manageable. And your second resolution should be make a journal or a diary. You never knew that a pen could be your best weight loss tool. In one of the largest and the longest weight loss maintenance trials ever conducted, the more food records that the dieters kept, the more weight they lost. Now, the third resolution should be set fixed daily routine. Setting daily routine helps you know what you are going to do, when you are going to wake up each morning, because without knowing your routine, it will be very difficult to stick to the weight loss plan. Our fourth resolution is stick to a diet plan or a diet pattern. So just follow your diet daily and stick to it. Otherwise, you will be stressed out, anxious and overwhelmed and falling short of your goals. And it will be difficult for you to achieve your goal. 90% of the weight loss is full about the diet, and 10% it's all about exercise. I have made videos on diet plans or meal plan. You can go and follow them. Now here comes the fifth one. This is the track your macros. You can track them by using any fitness app. I like MyFitnessPal. And this is the scientific way of reducing weight by creating a calorie deficit in your diet or diet plan. You can add everything to this, and it's a very big topic to talk about fitness app or macros or micros or calorie deficit. If you want me to make a video on such topic, just comment down below. I'll surely make one video to make you understand how it works. Now the sixth one is take small steps. So it will take time to come in the right frame of mind, or for you to come out of your comfort zone to push yourself for weight loss. So just take small steps daily, and surely you will reach your weight loss goal. So here comes our last resolution. Stick some motivational quotes on your wall or write it down in your diary, because they are so helpful whenever you feel demotivated or your weight stuck in between. Just read these motivational quotes and you will one day definitely reach your weight loss goal. It really worked for me also and for my patients also. So just remember one thing, that fitness is the only way to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye. So just subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and just comment down below.